Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Alyssa.
I'm Garrett.
And we are the Leffersons.
I hope.
And welcome to Vlogmas Day 11.
Double digits, baby.
Double digits. I mean, we were in double digits yesterday, but
We're in double digits again.
It's fine. If you have not watched our most recent video yesterday, we announced our Walt Disney World trip announcement. And if you want to know when we're going to be there, you should probably watch yesterday's video after this. But today we have a mystery pin unboxing.
So these are blind box pins from Hot Topic. From Frozen 2. So I'm going to walk you through what we have on the back here. So on the back we have portraits of Anna, Elsa, and Kristoff, and then beneath them we have Sven, Olaf, and there's the horse. It has a name.
That's like the water spirit, isn't it? It's the water spirit. I don't know what the water spirit's name is.
Pause. We're going to be talking about Frozen 2. If you haven't seen it yet, do it. Then come back and watch this, because we'll probably have some spoilers.
I mean, we will probably have some spoilers.
Because this is going to turn into like a solid Frozen 2 discussion. So,
and actually, we bought these pins before we watched Frozen, until it was before it came out, and we weren't even planning on getting these. We just like walked into Hot Topic, and I saw them, and I was like, let's get some. Now I kind of wish we got more. Like,
it was awesome.
We loved Frozen 2, so let's get into some of these pins.
These are some
I would honestly be happy with any of them.
So it's one pin per box, and each box was like $8.90. So our first pin is actually the water spirit of what it has a name.
It does have a name. What's its name?
Pause.
I'm
Let's
gonna
look it up.
I'm gonna look it up.
Turns out his name is the Knock, which is the spirit of the water, and he looks majestic. So I think this is more towards the end of the movie.
Yes.
Whenever the Knock and Elsa are like tight.
And they go down, she goes to Holland, and that song. Oh, show yourself.
We'll get there. We'll get
show
there.
Yourself.
We're gonna keep going.
Okay, I'm gonna open a box now. I don't even know. I want them all.
They're all. Yeah.
I really fell in love with Frozen 2, honestly. I definitely liked it more than the first one.
The portraits are really solid too.
All right, let's see. Hopefully no doubles.
Good.
It's a portrait. Oh, and I actually did really want this one, and it's beautiful.
Winning. Show the peeps.
It is Anna and Elsa, and can you see that background?
So this is from the beginning of the movie when Anna and Elsa are kind of settling in Arendelle. Anna's in her like fall gear. In the background, it's like ice.
They sing, some things never change.
That's cute.
It is cute, and I really like the background. I like how the background is sparkly.
That's the one that I wanted because it has both Anna and Elsa.
Yeah.
So if we didn't get Anna or Elsa, at least we have Anna and Elsa.
That's perfect. I love that. I love it.
That's a good compromise.
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna open our third of 4 boxes, and we have a double.
A double.
We got Zanak again. And these are, I don't know if these are easy to trade. I don't know.
I don't know either. Comment down below if
you got these.
You have these, and if there's something that you want to trade, just let us know. All right, last one. Hopefully no double.
No whammy, no whammy, no whammy, no whammy, no whammy.
That would stink.
That would stink. Silence falls
2 doubles.
in the crowd.
2 doubles.
I was really hoping to get a portrait of someone at least.
2 doubles. I have to say, I feel like this one will trade easily if people will trade.
I mean, at bare minimum, I'd like the 3 portraits because they're fabulous.
Beautiful.
Okay,
I
Frozen.
like Olaf though too.
Okay, Frozen 2. Real talk. Wonderful.
Yes. Seriously.
There were at least half a dozen times when I was like, whoa. It's so well done. It's beautiful. It's just the costumes.
Yeah, the costumes were amazing.
And now Anna and Elsa are in the end of movie costumes at the parks now.
Yes.
And I'm excited to go see Elsa's costume.
It kind of washes her color out,
Yeah.
I feel like. But Anna looks stunning. Love her new costume. Love that she is now the Queen of Arendelle.
Spoiler.
Spoiler, we warned them, but I'm really happy. And the music was amazing.
We listened to it before we went.
Yes, we did.
And so then as we're watching it, it's so much better to take the music that you were listening to in your car while driving down the highway and seeing it in context.
Yeah.
And that made all the difference. And we've actually seen it twice.
Yes.
And I cried at the same time both times. So
there's just so much emotion too in so many of the songs, especially at the end. Like Elsa has a song that's super emotional, and then Anna has a song that's super emotional. And they just do such a good job. And of course, like Idina Menzel and Kristen Bell and Jonathan Groff and
all of them.
And who's Olaf? Why can't I think of his name right now? Josh Gad. Yeah, why couldn't I think of his name? Of course, they're all amazing. I loved Olaf's role.
Yeah, he had a bigger role.
A lot of people didn't like that, but I enjoyed it.
I loved his like existential crisis of like, I'm getting older and I'm gonna die. How do you handle that? And the kids are like sticking like his carrot through his head. Like, it's just fantastic.
And then he's like, Samantha?
And the fire spirit is that cute little
gecko.
Oh
my gosh, yes. Fire spirit. He is so cute. What's his name? Why can't I think of his name?
That's just his name. Fire spirit.
No, that's not his name.
Does he have a name?
Bruno. Isn't it Bruno or
Bruhaha.
I'm gonna find out. I'm finding out.
While she's finding that out, I'll continue to... Gail, yes, Gail is also good. But it was good. It helped explain a lot of things that were kind of missing from the first film, and helped...
Bruni is the secret fire demon. Bruni.
I wouldn't call him a demon.
Why do they call him a demon?
If he's a demon, then I'm
actually, I read that from Screen Rant, so it's not a solid source.
That's not a solid source.
But it is Bruni. He's adorable.
We saw it at first on like in a local theater at a smaller screen, and then I'm like, I gotta see this on IMAX.
Yeah.
And so we took one of my nieces and my nephew to the IMAX, and
it was amazing.
The sound and the music.
Amazing.
And go see it.
So amazing. If you haven't seen it, you really should. And if you haven't seen it, I'm sorry, because we gave you some... I mean, if you haven't seen the spoilers already, come on. They're all over the place, so...
And if you've seen it, leave what you thought down below.
Yeah.
This is your homework.
There's a lot of mixed reviews because some people loved it, some people hated it, and some people were like, kind of like, it was fine. And so we'd love to know what your thoughts are. I mean, no judgment.
No.
Let us know your thoughts. We really want to know.
Yeah, and I'm fine with other thoughts as long as people can back them up. I'm fine.
Back up your thoughts.
Yeah, back up your idea. If you're like, I don't like Brussels sprouts, and you're like, why? It's because it makes me gassy. That's a good reason. So like, if you don't like Frozen 2 because it makes you gassy, that's a good reason. I'm just saying. That's a...
Okay. Anyways.
Day 11, peeps.
I think it's time to open our Day 11 pin. Shouldn't we?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna open our advent calendar, which we got from...
Costco. I feel like we're plugging Costco every single time.
We are plugging Costco, but this thing was $25. It is in here.
Is it in there? Yeah.
Day 11. Ooh, and it's kind of heavy. It's a little heavy.
You can't call pins heavy.
They come in these adorable little blind bags. We bought an advent calendar from...
We bought the pins for our advent calendar from... Magic Launch Bay.
An amazing service. Make sure to go check them out on Facebook and Instagram. I will leave them all linked down below. If you want international pins for a really, really great price, you need to go through Magic Launch Bay.
Agreed.
They are amazing, and literally the international pins are so much better than our pins here in America, so...
Trust us.
You should be, yes. All right,
we're a reliable source on the internet.
We're so reliable. Anyways, let's open this bag. If I can open it. Ooh, it's thick. It's thick. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is cute. Okay, this is from Walt Disney World. Yeah, this is from 2006.
Yeah.
And it's limited edition of 1500.
How do you find these pins from like 06?
Seriously, but it is Stitch. Look at him. It is Stitch, and it says, I think, first day of winter. I think that's what it says. Yeah, first day of winter, and it says Walt Disney World there. And he's adorable, though. He's got a little scarf and the hat.
I think that should go on our...
He's holding a snowball.
That should go on our Christmas pin board.
It's pretty cute. It's pretty cute. I don't know if we'll keep it because if you know us, we're not really huge Stitch fans, but he's pretty adorable. Like, his tongue's even sticking out. Like, he's so naughty. He's about to throw that snowball at y'all. Like, look at him just throwing that snowball.
Where were you Christmas 2006?
I was 16, so...
High school.
I was literally the worst person ever in high school.
I was a freshman in college. 2006.
Really?
Yes.
Man, you're so old. There's the pin. It's beautiful. It actually has a little bit of sparkle to it on the background.
Cute.
It actually has the same sparkle as like the Frozen pins that we got.
And this is an LE too.
If anyone wants to trade Anna and Elsa or the Knock, let us know.
Is it the Knock or Knock?
I don't really know, so.
Knocking.
It's fine. All right, this was kind of a crazy video. If you're still here, thank you for watching. I feel like our brains are kind of going a little loopy right now.
Yep.
It's a little late at night. My battery's dead. I don't even know what time it is. And it's time for us to end this video. So,
if you liked this,
give it a thumbs up.
And if you liked it even more,
leave a comment down below. Let us know if you are trading these pins, if you want to trade. Also, let us know what you thought about Frozen 2. We would love to hear good and bad reviews and so-so reviews. We want to hear them all. And also,
if you liked us,
subscribe.
There it is. I was waiting for it to get there.
Subscribe to our channel for more Disney content and for more Vlogmas. We are like, I don't know, maybe we're getting to halfway there, but there's a lot more coming your way. And that's basically all I have to say. Also, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss another video. Thank you for watching, and we will see you tomorrow.
I was gonna say that, but yeah, what she said. See you tomorrow.
Bye, guys.
Into the unknown.
You were off key.
Into the unknown.
Still not right.
That was close.
I mean, you were okay.